What up? Just now leaving the Ramada. Kind of tired, but this is what happens when you enjoy photography. And just the thought of driving the Blue Ridge this morning is kind of making me excited. So, you know. What up, y'all? I'm out here in the, I think this is the Smoky Mountains National Park, almost near Cherokee, North Carolina. Like I say, for me personally, being a Floridian, some of the stuff I see out here is amazing, and that's why every year I must come out here in order to check out the colors, you know, check out the fall. It's just an incredible experience. And so that's why I tell myself that at least once a year I gotta get out of Florida and try my hardest to see the fall colors and just kind of, you know, enjoy and appreciate nature. This is just like a beautiful place, an amazing place actually. I mean, it's just nice seeing the natural stuff that's around, a natural wild river, things that I feel like, you know, we don't really have in Florida because we don't have mountains. So we don't have a raging river like this one that you see behind me. So it's kind of cool.
darker.